how to shut down your laptop after a certain amount of time. So this can be really useful if you want to set your computer to turn off at a specific time. So maybe you're downloading something on your computer and you don't want to stay awake, then what you can do is set a power off schedule and set your laptop or computer to turn off in a specific time. Now to do this, you just need to go and open up your start menu. You can then search for run and click on this run icon. Now in this box here, we need to go and type in the following command. So we're just going to type in the word shutdown space -s space -t space, and then you need to type in the number of seconds you want your PC to turn off after. So what you can do is just go and open up a calculator on your computer, and let's say we wanted the computer to turn off in 2 hours time. So 2 hours is a total of 120 minutes. You'll then need to go and calculate the number of seconds in these 120 minutes. Now you can do that just by pressing times 60. So you can see here, this is a total of 7,200 seconds. So all you need to do is come back over to this run command and then type in 7,200. Now all you need to do is press enter on your keyboard to run the command. And you can see in the bottom right hand side, it will say you're about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 120 minutes. So now we've scheduled this computer to automatically shut down. If you wanted to go and cancel this from automatically shutting down, well, it's easy to do. We can just go and head back over to the run window. You can then go and type in shutdown space dash and then the letter A like this. You can then press OK. And as you can see, the scheduled shutdown has now been cancelled and it will stop your computer from automatically turning off.